Hello everyone! For this video, I will be discussing the properties of radicals. This is one of the basic foundations in the study of algebra. For the first property, the nth root of the variable a with the exponent m is equal to quantity of the nth root of a raised to m. For example, if you have the cube root of 8 squared, then it would be the same with the cube root of 8 quantity squared. The cube root of 8 can be further simplified, and the answer is 2. So we have 2 squared. 2 squared will result to 4. For the second property, if the nth root of a is multiplied by the nth root of b, then it would be the same with the nth root of a times b. For example, if you multiply the cube root of 5 to the cube root of 675, then it would be equal to the cube root of 5 times 675. This will result to the cube root of 3375. If we input this in our calculator, the answer is 15. Next, if the nth root of a is divided to the nth root of b, then it would be the same as the nth root of a over b, for as long as b is not equal to 0. For example, if you divide the cube root of 50 to the cube root of 10, then it would be the same as the cube root of 50 over 10. This will result to the cube root of 5. For the fourth property, the mth root of the nth root of a will be equal to the m times nth root of a. For example, if you have the cube root of the fourth root of 15, then it would be the same as 3 times fourth root of 15, which will result to the 12th root of 15. For the last property, the nth root of a raised to n is equal to the absolute value of a, or a. If n is an even number, then the answer is the absolute value of a. Otherwise, if n is an odd number, then the answer will be a. In the example, fourth root of the negative 12 raised to 4, 4 is an even number. Hence, the answer will be the absolute value of negative 12, which is 12. In the example, the cube root of negative 12 cube, n is an odd number. Therefore, the answer will be negative 12. That's all for this lesson. See you on the next video, and thanks for watching.